What's up guys, and welcome to the Coupon Club. In today's video, I got some really great deals for you guys using the $5 off a $25 coupon for Dollar General this Saturday, April 4th. Now these last couple weeks I haven't done a Dollar General deal because they haven't offered us that $5 off a $25 coupon, but this weekend they blessed us. And if you are new to shopping at Dollar General, it is super easy. You only need a few things, starting with the Dollar General app. Then you just need to create a Dollar General account. And then you're gonna go onto your Dollar General account and clip the digital coupons to your account, which I'm gonna show you later in this video. And then once you're actually at the store, just punch your phone number in at the register and all those digital coupons will come right off. So the first breakdown I'm gonna show you guys has an out-of-pocket of just $2. And the second breakdown I'm gonna show you guys has an out-of-pocket of $0, completely free. So I'm gonna show you how you guys can pick up $29 worth of stuff and pay absolutely nothing. So if you are planning on doing a Dollar General deal this Saturday, keep in mind that Dollar General has been dedicating its first hour every single day just for senior citizens. So I think Dollar General opens at like 8 o'clock. So just try to be respectful of that and show up around 9 o'clock to do your deals. And now before I go over these $5 off of 25 breakdowns with you guys, I just want to show you a couple freebies which you can get outside of these deals. So the first freebie deal is going to be on some CoverGirl products. So what you're going to want to do is pick up one CoverGirl face product and one CoverGirl eye product, both priced at $4 each. So what I would recommend is to pick up the CoverGirl brow pencil and the CoverGirl blush. Now check out your Dollar General app and look for that save $2 when you spend $6. Other than this, you're going to need the $3 off of CoverGirl face product and the $3 off of CoverGirl eye product digital coupons. So altogether, this is $8 of coupons, and the total cost of our products was $8, making the final cost for both of these cosmetic items completely free. The second freebie deal I want to show you guys is on some KEEBLER cookies. So you can find these either up by the register or where all the travel snacks are. And these are going to be priced at 75 cents. You actually want to get the KEEBLER wafers, the 2.75 ounce. And there's a 75-cent off insert coupon in the March 8 Smart Source. So you can use this coupon and pick up these wafers for completely free. This next freebie deal, not every store carries this item in stock, but hopefully yours does. And that's on the Big SOLEIL razor. So these are normally priced at $3.30, but they're currently on a price cut for just $3. And we have a $3 off digital coupon, making it completely free. And just keep in mind, guys, that you guys want to pick up the Big SOLEIL razor 3-pack. There is a 5-pack, but it costs a little bit more, so your out-of-pocket won't be free. So if you want a freebie, make sure to get that 3-pack. This last freebie deal, I'm sure you guys already know about because it comes around all the time. And that's going to be on the Gain Dryer Sheets 15 count or the Gain Fabric Softener, which is in the dollar aisle. These are each priced at $1, and we have a $1 off digital coupon, making it completely free. Alright guys, now before we get into these breakdowns, don't forget to like my video down below, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you can be notified every time I post a video and never miss out on these deals. So for this first breakdown, I'm going to show you guys a deal where your out-of-pocket is going to be just $2. Now the first item you're going to want to pick up is a Gillette disposable razor. These are priced at $4.50 each, but we have a $3 off digital coupon shown here. So you want to clip that to your account, and that'll make the final cost for this razor pack just $1.50. Now don't move away from the razors yet, because you're also going to want to pick up 2 of the Chic Classic razors. You can pick up either the men's or the women's, just make sure each one that you're picking up is priced at $4.50. Now in the Dollar General app, there are 2 Chic disposable razor coupons. One of them is for a $4 value and the other one has a $3 value. So go ahead and clip both of these to your account because you're going to want to use those for this deal. Our next item is going to be the Big SOLEIL razor, and we have a $3 off digital coupon, making this completely free. The next item you're going to want to pick up is going to be the Crest Baking Soda and Peroxide toothpaste. So this is priced at $2, and we have a $1 off digital coupon, making the price for this toothpaste just $1. Our next item is going to be the Always Discreet pads, and you're going to want to pick up the 24 to 26 count. This is priced at $3, and we have a $2 off digital coupon, making this just $1. The last item for this deal is going to be the NIVEA lotion. So the NIVEA Oil Infused Vanilla Lotion 13.5 ounce is priced at $3.65, and we have a $2 off digital coupon, making the cost for this just $1.65. So this is a quick breakdown of all the products which we are going to be picking up. So you should have 1 Gillette razor, 2 Chic razors, 1 Big SOLEIL razor, the Crest toothpaste, and Always Discreet pads, and a NIVEA lotion. The subtotal for all these products is going to be $25.15, which is perfect because that brings us just over our $25 threshold to use our 5 off of 25 coupon. Now here are all the coupons which you are going to want to have clipped to your account in order to do this deal. So altogether, this is a total value of $23 in coupons. So if you take this out of our subtotal of $25.15, that makes the final cost for all of these items just $2.15. Now I know that this is a really great deal, but I knew I can get the out-of-pocket a little lower, so let me show you this deal I put together where you can get $29 worth of stuff for completely free. Our first couple items are going to be similar to the last deal, so you're going to want to start off with one Gillette disposable razor, priced at $4.50, and we have a $3 off digital coupon. Our next item is going to be the Gillette Venus Daisy razor. This is also priced at $4.50, and again, we have another $3 off digital coupon. Our next couple items are going to be the Chic Classic razors. Now for these you can pick up either the men's or the women's, and they are each priced at $4.50. And we have a $3 off digital coupon and a $4 off digital coupon. So be sure to add both of these to your account. Now for our last pack of razors, we're going to be picking up the Big Soleil. This is on a price cut for $3, and we have a $3 off digital coupon, making it free. Now we're going to pick up some CoverGirl items. So you're going to want to pick up one CoverGirl face product and one CoverGirl eye product. Whichever one you pick up, just make sure they're each priced at $4. Now check out your Dollar General account because there is a $3 off of CoverGirl eye product and a $3 off of CoverGirl face product digital coupon. Along with this, there is a Dollar General store coupon for $2 when you spend $6. So add all of these digital coupons to your account and add those 2 CoverGirl products to your cart. So that's it guys, that's all the items we're going to be picking up for this second deal. So all together in your cart, you should have one Gillette razor, one Gillette Venus razor, 2 Chic Classic razors, one Big Soleil razor, one CoverGirl eye product, and one CoverGirl face product. Altogether, these products come to a subtotal of $29, but we have all these coupons which we are going to be using. Altogether, this is a total value of $29 in coupons, and remember, our subtotal was $29. So for our final breakdown, you'll be able to pick up all of these items completely free. Alright guys, thank you so much for taking your time here today to watch my video. If you haven't already, definitely check out my CVS Best Deals video. There are some great deals going on at CVS this week where you can pick up some free face masks, I think some free toothpaste. I don't even remember, but there are just some crazy great deals that you can get for either free or under $1. So I'll have that link down below in the description box if you want to check that out. And if you haven't already, don't forget to give my video a big like down below and subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.